In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Welcome to my channel, The Scholar's Outlook, where you'll find the most innovative and insightful analysis on a wide range of topics. Be sure to watch the video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. Today's topic of presentation is very important. Why are innocent children in Gaza being brutally killed? Why doesn't God protect them? Atheists often bring up these questions using them to challenge the idea of divine justice and mercy. Listen carefully to the Quranic and logical explanation. Children who die unjustly are not lost, but enter directly into Allah's mercy. The Prophet said, Al atfalu lazina yamutuna zulman laisu za'ain, bal yukhazuna mubasharatan ila rahmatillahi la ila al-azab. Children who die unjustly are not lost. Rather, they are taken directly into the mercy of Allah, not into punishment. This means that children who are wrongfully taken from this world are not truly lost. Instead, they are immediately embraced by the mercy of Allah. They are not subjected to punishment or hardship in the hereafter. Rather, they are granted Allah's compassion and protection. The Prophet said about children who die unjustly, whom da'amisul Jannah, they are the little ones of paradise. This means that children who lose their lives, whether through war, injustice, or illness, are not subjected to punishment in the hereafter. Instead, they are welcomed into paradise, embraced by divine mercy and protection. Their departure from this world leads them directly to a place of peace, that is paradise. Atheists also raise this question: why doesn't God protect the children of Gaza? God is not absent. He is watching, recording, and delaying justice for a particular purpose. Allah says in Surah Ibrahim, ayat number 42, وَلَا تَحْسَبَنَّ اللَّهَ غَافِلًا أَمَّا يَعْمَلُ الظَّالِمُونَ إِنَّمَا يُؤَخِّرُهُمْ لِيَوْمٍ تَشْخَصُ فِيهِ الْأَبْصَارُ. Do not think that Allah is unaware of what the wrongdoers do. He only delays them until a day where eyes will stare in horror. These words remind us that Allah is never unaware of the actions of those who commit injustice, even when it seems that wrongdoers go unpunished. Their respite is only temporary. Allah grants them time, but a day will come when every eye will be fixed in terror, witnessing the full reality of the deeds. It is a powerful assurance that justice is never forgotten, only delayed for a moment of absolute truth. If God punished every oppressor instantly, the world would not see the difference between truth and falsehood. Moreover, the suffering we see is the result of human actions, not divine approval. So, the killing of children in Gaza is a crime of human beings, not a decree of God to harm them. Atheists also raise this question: why doesn't God stop it? According to the Quranic explanation, Islam teaches that this world is not the final place of justice. It is a place of test, and the next life is where justice is completed. Allah says in Surah 67, ayat number 2, Allazi khalqal mauta wal hayata liyabluwakum ayyukum ahsanu amla. He created death and life to test which of you is best in deeds. This means that Allah created both life and death as part of a divine test to reveal which individuals will strive to do the most righteous and sincere deeds. Life is not random and death is not meaningless. Together, they form the framework through which a person's character, intentions, and actions are shown. It is a reminder that our purpose is not simply to exist, but to live in a way that reflects goodness, integrity, and devotion. God allows free will so that good and evil can be distinguished. If God stopped every act of evil instantly, free will would not exist and the test would have no meaning. Allah says in Surah 3, ayat number 169, وَلَا تَحْسَبَنَّ الَّذِينَ قُتِلُوا فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ أَمْوَاتًا بَلْ أَحْيَاءٌ عِنْدَ رَبِّهِمْ يُرْزَقُونَ. And never think that those who have been killed in the cause of Allah are dead. Rather, they are alive with the Lord, receiving provision. Allah says in Surah 14, ayat number 42, no justice will go unpunished. وَلَا تَحْسَبَنَّ اللَّهَ غَافِلًا أَمَّا يَعْمَلُ الظَّالِمُونَ. Do not think that Allah is unaware of what the oppressor do. It means God sees every injustice. Justice may be delayed, but it is never denied. Oppressor will face full accountability in the hereafter. In Hadith, you'll find the reward of children who die unjustly. Whom tuyurul Jannah, they are the birds of paradise. Children who die are not questions or judged. They enter paradise immediately. They live in peace, joy, and safety forever. Hadith describe these children as running freely, playing in paradise, being cared for by the Prophet. They are considered martyrs because they were unjustly killed. Thanks for watching.